Stephanie, thank you. It is 8:10. Still ahead, your friend and mine, Talking Tech with Andy Taylor, showing us what looks to be a camera. More on that when we come back.
Right now, keeping it local, you're watching Fox 11 News Daybreak.
Welcome back. 8:13. Time for Talking Tech. Andy Taylor is here. Nice to see you, my friend.
It's always good to see you.
What is going on this morning?
Well, you know, it's hard to believe that in the last year and a half, 2 years, the webcam has been a great friend to us when it comes to technology for those that are working from home, that have had to do meetings, Zoom meetings, Skype meetings, Microsoft Teams meetings, and usually you have to get on the camera. Well, what's cool about it is the technology has gotten, hold on, let me just turn this off. Somebody's ringing me right now. What's cool about this is the technology has gotten even better. This is the newest from Logitech, the Logitech StreamCam. If you go back in the history of webcams, Logitech was really the forerunner for this after buying Connectix. They had that ball camera you might remember from American Pie. But this has taken the technology and really upgrading it. It's got a 1080p, 60 frames per second, which is going to give you a super clear picture. This is great for meetings, also great for content creators. Now, if you could see, you could easily pull this down. It will fit on the top of your laptop, your desktop screen monitor. And again, great optics in this. It uses special glass, and it has a 78-degree field of view. Now, the technology inside the camera, Andrew, is amazing because with that 78-degree field of view, if I move like I'm doing here, the technology in the camera will keep you in the frame. It will actually move with you, which is amazing. Using the Logitech Capture software as well, you get really great resolution, great lighting. You know, it's amazing, and it has two microphones on the front. So like I'm using a professional microphone, this can actually pick up really well. Also with technology, and you've heard a lot about USB-C, it can plug into a USB-C port. If you don't have that on your technology, you can get an adapter, which is really easy. Now this runs for about $169, but again, a really good option for those looking to stream. Also, Logitech has gone a little step further, making products for your home. The Circle View. Now, I've used the Circle View security cameras for indoors, and I love them. The quality is great. Now they're taking it outdoors. This is a video doorbell camera. So I'm going to show you. We'll take this out here. Basically, this could go on your wall where your current doorbell is, or on the side of your door. Very easy to hook up. It is wired, not wireless. You don't have to worry about changing batteries out or anything like that. And it comes with a couple of mounts. You can mount it flush, so it goes right up against the wall with a little, indentation. Or what's really cool is this one. It curves. So if you mount it to the wall, you've got a curve so you can actually see up your sidewalk. Very easy to use. The quality is great, picks up the audio, and it uses the Apple HomeKit. So if you have an iPhone, an iPad, and you're remote and you've got a router in your home, you could connect and see who's at your door even if you're not at home. If you don't have a router at home, but you're at home, you can actually use your iPad, your HomePod, or even Siri to control it and be able to see what's going on. Really great product. These sell for about $199.
If I saw you in that camera, I'd open the door, Andy.
I don't know. It's kind of scary sometimes. Don't let the suit fool you.
Good to know. Andy Taylor.
Great products.
Great to see you as always, Andy. Thank you so much.